This is going to be a tutorial about how to put a Sonos battery operated, a wire-free motor into sleep mode. So right now, the shade is operating. We want to put this motor into sleep mode so that we can program a separate motor without this one interfering. Most of the times when you have two units on the same channel and you want to just affect one, change the height, change the channel, you have to be able to operate just that one motor. So we want to first find the little slot, the little reset button there. We want to hold that button in until we get a jog. Once we get a jog, release that button, and then we're just going to tap it one more time. That gives you 2 bounces, confirmation that the motor is now in sleep mode. It will not respond to any transmitter. Now, if you had a second motor, you could operate and change the limits or do whatever you need to do with that motor until such time as this one was ready. If you had 3 motors and they were all on a 1-channel transmitter and you wanted to just affect one of them, you'd have to put the second one asleep and then operate just the one that's awake. Now, once that's done and you want to wake this motor up, you want to hold that button until you get a jog. Then you're going to press it one more time and you're going to get another jog. Once that's done, now the motor is awake and able to be operated.